No one is a perfect. Being a good parent is a big challenge. Everyone wants to give their child the best life, educate him, make him right the and make him successful, but they are not able to succeed completely in this, due to which they become worried that they do not know what their child's future will be like. If you also have such question in your mind and you are also worried about your child's future, then first of all challenge your behavior. If you succeed in doing this, then believe me, your child's future will be great in such a situation. Today we are going to tell you the four most effective ways to become a good parent, by adopting which you can become a good parent. If you want to learn in your life, then it will be very good for you, because everyone makes mistake. It is a very important to improve the time, especially to make your child's future golden. You should also develop the habit of learning. With this you can teach your child the art of living in every situation. Let's know the ways. The feeling of affection is necessary in every relationship. If you also show affection and love towards your children will feel safe and will tell you everything. For this, always give your child a magic hug. Hug them, play with them. Do not hesitate to have two children. If you do not show affection towards your children, then they can become victims of depressions. The age of a children is a learning for. In such a situation, if a child is given a safe and peaceful environment, then the children learns quickly. If the atmosphere of the house is disturbed, then the children will also be disturbed, and when they grow up their behavior will also be full of disturbance. The character of the child is performed by the environment. In such a situation, to make your child a characterful person, give them a safe and peaceful environment. Advice 2. It has been seen many times that if a child insists of something and if you does not get that thing, he starts crying. In such a situation, their parents start scolding and beating them, which is absolutely wrong. Teach your child to stay disciplined in yourself. Should also follow discipline. This will awaken the feeling of motivation in your child. Encourage the child by giving him rewards for his good work. Do not resolve domestic disputes in front of your child. This has a negative impact on the child. By doing this, children start feeling stressed, due to which anxiety and fear starts hunting them. If
It's
you
one of
fight
my
or
favorite
quarrel
seasons
with
of
your
the year. Back to school. As a kid, I loved fresh school, Supple's new outfits, the change of season, and the chance to crack open a new textbook. I've always loved the first days of school better than the last days of school. First are best because they are beginning. Always ask yourself, is this what my best looks like? That one question alone will challenge your entire life. Education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. The first day of school is always a fashion show. The rest of the school year are pajama parties. Never give up what you are really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Anthony, you might seem like life is full of test questions, grades, parents, and pressure, but still dream. Only surround yourself with people who will lift you higher.
Education does not prevent you from making mistakes but makes you learn from your mistakes. You are off to great places. Two is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So get on your way. You learn something every day if you pay attention. The first day of school, the day when the countdown to the last day of the school beginning. You can never be averse of over education.